Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see who likes you on Hinge. Now for those of you wondering what is an Hinge, Hinge is a dating app where you'll see numerous number of people, and you'll be able to swipe right to them, even talk with them, chat with them, flirt with them, and even meet with them. Now to see who likes you on Hinge, you need to simply follow the steps on in the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. So if you have not installed the app, you need to simply download it from App Store. Now simply open App Store on your device, and at the very bottom right you'll see the option of search. Click on it and click on the search box at the very top. So click on it and see search Hinge and click on the option of search. So as you can see, the Hinge app has already been installed on my device. Make sure that it is installed on yours too. So if you have not installed, you need to simply click on the option of get or cloud like icon next to it. So after that, click on the option of open, which will open Hinge on your device, and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Hinge, where you'll see option like add star, matches, message, and your profile icon. Now this is the discovery page, where you'll see the number of people who with your preference on this page, and you will be able to swipe right to them. Now to see who likes you on the Hinge, you need to click on the love like icon, which is at the center, and this is the page of likes you. So to find out about them, you need to make sure that you notice their background or swipe like them, swipe according to the background. Or to find it more about it, you need to simply upgrade the plan and click on the option of upgrade. Now it will help you. Now you may choose the option like 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. Now after upgrading the plan, it will help you to see who likes you on Hinge. So that's it. That's how you can see who likes you on Hinge for free. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.